Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel S&T PowerVision. Basically in this video learn about the binning here. So what is binning here? First question. Binning is a way to group a number of more or less continuous value into a smaller number of bins. For example, if you have data about a group of people, you might want to arrange their ages into a smaller number of age intervals here. So we'll see in more detail here. So this is our data set which we have imported here. Now come to the data group. Data means data view of the. After that, click on the row ID, click on the data groups here, new data groups. After name should be row ID bins here, field row ID, group bins, group type bin, you will go for the bin here. Size of bin type, size of bins here, minimum value, and that is we can give any value from 1 to 9994 here because 9994 is the number of rows we have imported here. Now here, suppose we are making group of 600 only. Now OK. Now here row ID bins have been created here. Now we'll go to the report view and take a slicer. Now we'll take a slicer here. We'll move the row ID bins which we have done. Now list 0 to 600 and also we'll do some basic formatting here. General, effects, visual borders with shadow, binning, now text color white, slicer header off here. So binning will be like 0 to 600. If you put cursor here, 600, 1200, 1800, 2400 like that have been created here. 9600. Now okay, we'll make some visuals here. Then we'll see its effects. Say for example, we'll take the stack column chart here. Now on the x-axis we'll take the region here. And on y-axis we'll take the cells here. Now in the legend we'll move the category here. Now see if you selected the first 600, our values are like that only. Now 600 is things are getting changed here. Or for example, we can take any card here as well. In the card, we'll move the cells here, total cells. So we'll do some formatting for this. Now we can see here. Like for 1200 if we have selected bins, so it is 123.82k here. Make some border here, it will look better. Now, if it is 1800, means 1201 to 1800, so our profit is this one only. If you take from 20, so see, based on the bin selected value, our profit sales are getting changed here. Now, if you want, we can take one more card here. We'll see the whole profit also here. Now, profit, yes. Now, select bins 0. We see this is the profit, this is the sales value, means first 600. After the 601 to 1200, means this is the 16.62k, this is the profit, this is the sales value. We can see also changes in the stack column chart as well. Now this is the third bin, 1200 to 1201 to 1800, I believe. After the profit, this is the profit, this is the sales, this is the what you say stack column chart here. So this is how binning work in the for Power BI visuals for certain visuals whatever we have selected. So please like, share and subscribe my channel S&T PowerVision. Thank you.